If VP0 and VPC are the exact same size, we can't really verify that our math using VP0 is correct. VP0 is the destination rectangle, VPC is the client area. We're going to make a section called render options, and we're going to have a thing called box view for letterboxing, a variable to tell us if it's on, and the ratio for the letterboxing we're going to use. Here's where we're creating the box view. All we're going to do is make one axis 1/3 of the other axis. We're going to get the ratio. We're going to get the width and height of the client area. We're going to set the initial box width and height to the same size as the client area. Then we're going to decide which axis to bring in. Once we figure that out, we'll do some corrections to make sure that we have something that's mathematically possible. Then we will get how many scrap pixels we have on the X and Y axis. Then we will figure out how much to pull in on each axis, and then we'll perform our pulling in by pulling in on the client area to get the destination rectangle that is inset within that client area. Within the resize canvas function, we have added this logic. Initially, VP0 will be the exact same size as VPC. If letterboxing is on, we will call that function we just reviewed. Here are some diagrams, and that is it. So if you want this described in more detail, you can go here. You are on these tutorials here. You can check the code out here. You can email me here.